Hey, how you doing? Jeff back here with you again, and I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to use ChatGPT is what I'm going to use. You can use anything that you like as far as generative AI tools are concerned. I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to start ideas for a book. All right, so we've got ChatGPT open here, and I'm just going to type in, I want to write a book about how, I want to write a book about how professionals can get a brain dump on everything they know. Ask me questions one at a time. This is important, one at a time. You don't want ChatGPT to ask you 5 questions all at once, and then you have to keep going back and forth to answer them. If you answer one at a time, it actually takes into consideration the answer that you gave before it gives you the next question, okay? So ask me questions one at a time about how I want to accomplish this. Okay, start off with there and see what we get. Okay, now I'm going to type in there everything they've learned. Okay, got it. Step-by-step guide. Yes, step-by-step guide. There we go. Let's focus on storytelling. Okay, let's do creating narratives. I'm saying prompts, yes, right? So it's asking me, do you want the book to include specific prompts or frameworks? And I'm going to say prompts, yes. Okay, and then after this, I'm going to stop this and I'm going to say, write me an outline. Okay, so I'm going to skip some steps, but I just wanted you to see quickly in 5 minutes how we would do this. Different industries, or keep more general, and give me a first outline for my book. Brain dump mastery, unlocking your expertise through storytelling. Cool. Introduction to power of a brain dump. Part 1, laying the foundation. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, why storytelling, right? The science and psychology of storytelling. Cool stuff. Part 2, building your narrative. Chapter 3, unpacking your key experiences. Chapter 4, structuring your stories. Part 3, organizing your knowledge, right? So it's giving you even parts here on how to do this. So starting the foundation, starting to build the narrative, organizing your knowledge, and then putting it all to use, and then conclusion. So short book, but could be a really great book, right? So does this outline align with your vision? I'm going to hit the thumbs up and say, yes, good response, okay? So now what I'm going to say, I'm going to dig into one more thing here for you, all right, just to kind of show you some stuff, show you a little bit more. So I'm going to say, the opening paragraphs or chapter 1 to capture someone's attention. Boom. Okay, brain dump. Chart 1. Cool stuff, right? So it starts off with a question, which is really cool. What if someone asks you to explain everything you've learned through your career? Could you do it? Chances are you'd stumble, unsure of where to begin or how to capture. So awesome. Really great way to start off a book that is a how-to on how to use generative AI to get a brain dump of everything that you know. It's part of what I've been starting to teach in my courses, my books, my classes, and the articles that I've been writing. So this is awesome. And then it prompts you again to write something, which you would go over here and do. But now you've got this as a specific part that you could now copy. You can also go in here and you can suggest edits, right? Adjust the length, the reading level, add final polish, add emojis, whatever you want to do in here, okay? So good way to get you started. Nice little quick video. I'll be creating a lot more of these, so I'll see you in further videos.